Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Sean Mshanana Mshonalisto Mshokuluzi indoda yashona yaphinda yavuka yavusa abanye. So what up, my boy?
Hey yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy once again, Kemele Narrator with another banging episode of Come With Me as we go. Let's play FIFA with Grootman.
Tumintana ya what up? Yeah, Petty Grootman here. Yeah, subscribe on YouTube channel yakhe E.T. Grootman, like simple as that. E.T. Grootman. Find subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the subscription button. Away. That's how it is. Yeah, but fit to ya. My sister Belingi, sister hamba. Sikibela is siya kona. Last yakona nizobona guys. One thing enaziyo ukuthi yes nithembisa amabhenga nisohlezi amabhenga on top of amabhenga. I understand. Yeah,
Stay tuned.
you have to understand. Yeah guys, so now currently singena Mall, as you can see. Tatama tag. Yeah, Tatama tag ngikombeni mall. Yeah, is the mall. So yeah, nyani ncane into rasayo no arba bir mile da shi dichi mashi arba bir mile guys. So yeah, athi
Stay tuned.
for now nje ngikhombeni nje day in a life guys, yabo, day in a life kwenzakalani must stay sporikile sometimes, yabo. What you go do it for me. So yeah guys, this is what's happening guys. So buyana something incanyana bona guys, not something serious but something incanyana guys. So
bayenze ngale ma-child sokwenza iroof.
lenze ngamathayisi ukwenza roof.
Nandosi uyazi Nandosi mbana Nandosi.
Creativity ntwana. This is called creativity. So yeah guys, we are here to order nyana something. Guys, ngicabanga ukuthi amazamba niphele bese ngiyahamba. So the next time I pull up here, I wanna buy go-karting, guys. Like go-karting type shit. So I don't know, guys. We can share any vlog go-karting the next time we pull up. You understand? Share some mini vlog, go-karting, something, not something epic, but something nyana, guys. So
You know we always do something nyanas.
something nyanas.
Always do something nyanas.
Something nyanis.
Don't go wide.
What's your take? What's your take? Away. So guys, come on guys, in the comment section down steady. Should we shako cutting? Should we go catching or ice skating? So you guys choose between the two.
Minangzoa guys, don't go for ice skating.
You ain't think for
I don't wanna fall down. I'd rather do an accident in Tolura. Now go catching.
Never told it into them.
That's about
Iraf like iya kanjani ayingokuthi accident.
that's about the road accident fund.
Oh lapha ku go catching access straightini. Abafaka ngitharo.
Hayi baba.
I know angifundanga ne, but then cela ukuthi manje ningangenzi bha.
Asukenza ibhari, we just say my guy ukuthi bathi road accident fund. And then manje lapha yana yabona na ukuthi into encane le accident ukuthi
Kwamele kube ne go catching accident fund.
this nigga.
Futhi lapha silimala kakhulu kwamele ke at least ke abe road.
Ulimazwa yini? Ulimazwa yini?
Like yamatayera baba kunamatayera like I think. Mochayisa amatayera. Abe laba most bama race track most bona bana insurance road accident fund.
Now racist.
This nigga.
Why sizozala singa racist?
Anyways guys, commentani guys, I skating or go-karting guys. I mean this nigga ngazi ukuthi yini ngayi guys.
Let's go jumping castle.
Jumping castle. No man. There's a car. So yeah guys, we made it to the crib. So me any chance, yeah.
But otherwise, me, my top 3 million.
So niggas be debating, yeah. So like I was playing Sonavile's song, check, and then I was like, "There's Blake here, check." So niggas were like, "Nah, I'm in Blake Young Pora." Umunye is like, "Utinwena."
Mina.
Yeah.
Nomnyama.
Ah.
It's black.
Guys, Blake is a goat, guys. My nigga is goated. So anyways, it is what it is. So hey, yeah.
Hi guys. Right. Manje wayanga first time.
Yeah, so now guys, as you can see, now niggas are chowing. They're leaving me behind because me I'm vlogging for you all. Imagine. So if you play FIFA nyana, nothing epic, guys. Nothing epic. Niggas, why are you chowing without me? Then these niggas be eating without me, guys. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. Yeah, so guys, the aim ukuthi ngishawukhona ngumshanga eFIFA yakhe aphinda ngizonde.
Oh, gospani.
Phahlela. Fun fact, none of these niggas wanna win. The score has been 1-1, wow, it's now extra time. They even shot golden goal. But no one is scoring.
Nah.
Check the concentration.
You're right. Pasile.
So guys, I've been losing. I lost about 3 matches.
Much better, Mandy. Sana ikichekile sayini. Ayikitisi.
Guys, angisadlali FIFA game uqeda ukungisha 5-0.
Ngiyatshela inkinga yami. That's the problem.
Angisadlali FIFA ngiyaretire. Man, ngiyaretire.
Ngiyashaya mfethu.
Ade ufiki.
Ngiyatshela kwasana.
Nathi shaba yamagoli guys.
Tshela kwasana.
Ngiyama ngidala iba somehow iba too bright but. Mfana ke ngifikile bafethu.
Ngiyatabula kushithi ngiyatabula and ngiyatabula and FIFA ngigcine Dallas. Guys, when you hold it your stick, bamba kaso.
Guys, they are outing shy 5-0. And then niyadlala nini. I-453 ngathi ngithi ngiyaforce ngathi ngizobuya.
Ngifuna ukumsha ama-forfeit ayichuwe game lewa.
Yakwani game yakwana ngiceda ngicine ngikhansa.
Ngifuna linye penalty linye. Sorry.
Angeke game angeke.
What are they doing? Uyajumpa lo. Mara, khotshwa wewe.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
let's ukulungiswa ngapha. Okay.
Bana 5
Okay,
minutes.
team play, it's fine. Okay.
Futhi nabona mase ngikhuluma ukuthi game ubusy asithomenta la sithochara lana angunderstand. Ayi lo mfana lo ngathi khona into edlile lo. Brilliant. Man, how do you feel?
We must feel some shots, man.
Mina ngamqosha manje ngile moment.
Ungamkhaphi lokumkhapha ngokuthe.
Lo mfana lo.
Tshela ukuthi afana uzowoka phela, uzoyibona indlela ehambayo.
Yo, hayi game ntwana. So guys, one thing you should know guys, you game ushayile ne. And ushayile. Since la thiba mbitho sticky angazi maskatman.
Mama quarter to 6. Quarter to 7.
9 man. Since you stick la utazangi.
Ayiphumi lathi le so lokuthi sayizama siyi2. Ayiphumi lathi lena and
Game ngeBarcelona.
Ayishayile guys. Allow to shayile guys.
Bese wakhatshele manje ama player like visually so akhatshela ama player.
But anyways guys, ngicela nibukele ni vlog. Ni like ni subscribe ni share ni commenteni like yonke into ezenza ukuthi
See you on another.
abanye abantu bazokale kwi vlog yabo. Anyways guys, yo angikhathele game mina game ushayile guys.
Sambeni sekhaya guys, sicela nisikhapheni. It's Kemet the narrator once again. It was a visit for Khotmane. This is the banging episode. Let's visit Khotmane. Sabe sekhaya. Induku ivulelwe. Sewashayiwa abantu. Uzosale sekavula career for practice.
So guys, it is what it is. So now we live in the pose, guys. Vying pose. Okay, must shine your feature. Me ngidlela shine ngayo. Now lo Mr. Choof. Hey, le am the Choof. Kuza njalo nasemsebenzini. Yeki Choof, my guys. Stop choofing, my guy. So guys, now we vying pose, guys. So we're on our way.
I'll give a list to Pubapege.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Watch the vlog. Tap in, guys. Tap in, cause
Nanini hlala siphathele izinto ezimnandi.
ayeza guys and ayeza and ngale ndlela za ngayo nale rita za ngayo guys mani
Van Buren Road.
okay we kila expel Van Buren.
Van Buren.
So yeah guys, yeah ayeza amaningi, so stay tuned, tap in, make sure you subscribe if you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, share to your family, tell your family to share labangani baya
Subscribe.
Understand? So yeah, it is what it is. Tap in, guys, and stay tuned.
120,000 subscribers.
So yeah, cool, man. So yeah, it is what it is. See you on the next vlog.